the assignment operator or the famous equals, you can assign values, right? So let's get rid of all this and let's declare some more variables here. Int a equals 50. I can do int b equals a times 5. And of course, we're just assigning. So we use the equals to give a value to something, and we can use all arithmetical operations. There are a couple of them, right? We can multiply, we can add, we can divide, we can subtract. That's pretty much it, right? So you can use all of those arithmetical operations. Of course, the order matters, right? So 5 plus 8 times 5, of course, what will this produce? What do you guys think? I mean, this is like an easy question, but I mean, of course, it will not first say 5 plus a, it'll do 255, of course, because this operator has higher priority. So keep that in mind. If we want to make it add 5 to a and then multiply by a 5, we just simply put it in brackets, and that's it. So if we want to do a plus 5 and then multiply, we have to put brackets. Otherwise, we just don't. Again, I mean, I'm probably repeating something that everybody knows, but just want to be clear on this. It just uses the normal mathematical operator priority, where the multiplication and division have a higher priority, and addition and subtraction have a lower priority. That's pretty much it. I mean, we can assign, we can use previously declared variables in the new ones, you know, so I can use a to calculate b, I can then use a and b to calculate c, but like what I cannot do is I cannot use d before it was declared, right? So obviously, since code is running from top to bottom, it doesn't make any sense. Like d doesn't exist at this point. If I move this line up, the error goes away. So of course, keep that in mind, you know. Code runs from top to bottom, so everything that's like here, only that exists. Things that are in the future, we cannot see them here, obviously. So, you know, all of this kind of makes sense. I mean, to be perfectly honest with you guys, everything will kind of make sense through the whole course. Like, programming is one of the things that should at least in principle make perfect sense, right? Computers just do what we tell them to do, and when they don't, they actually do, but we didn't really tell them the proper thing, right? So, you know, they are quite perfect machines. So here you can see, we can even assign a variable to itself. This to mathematicians might seem super weird. Like we're saying x equals x plus 1. What the hell? If I remove x from both sides, we get 0 equals 1. This is not that equals from math. This is the assignment operator. I can literally say a equals a times 2, you know? So take the value of a, multiply by 2, and then put that in a, removing the old value of 50. So now a would be 100, right? Or here, let's say int b equals b plus 5, you know, or not really int b because we have declared it already, so we just use b. B equals b plus 5. So we now are going to see what the hell. It's like 255 and 260. Why did I choose so hard numbers to calculate? So we will see a is going to be 100. This is going to be 260. So you can, again, use a variable to assign a value to itself. I mean, you can take the old value, do something with it, and then reassign to the variable itself. I think that's everything from this slide.